In today's video, I'm working on a 20-inch canvas circle, and I'm going to do one of my airbrushed pours. I haven't done one of these in a little bit, and I really enjoy doing this style, so I just wanted to pick out a couple of colors that I really like. I have some midnight blue, some white acrylic paint. I also have some of my silver Mehron makeup that I will be using to add some embellishments. I have my airbrush set at 40 psi. If you want to see some other fun airbrushed pours, I've done quite a few on my channel. You can check out video 547 for where I used some purple airbrush on a light purple background, and that one turned out really well. So I may try something like that again in the future with painting my background and then adding a darker color on top. For this pour today, I wanted to leave some white negative space, so I'm going to be working from the bottom and the side of the canvas and kind of just moving my way out and then stopping when I feel that I have enough blue. And just to help the blue paint move a little bit easier, I'm just putting a really thin coat of the white paint down first, and then I will start alternating and adding my blue in. So I'm just taking some time adding my white and my blue down. I don't want it to get really muddy, so I'm trying to keep larger areas of each color so that I have some really nice portions of white and then really nice portions of blue without them just getting really muddy of blending too much. Once I had my white and my blue the way that I wanted it, I started adding portions of the silver, and I just dropped it right onto my canvas. I also had it thinned down with some medium so that I could blow it around. And then I just started adding a little bit more of my blue and my white to incorporate those silver portions the way that I wanted them to. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if you'd like to see some other airbrushed pieces, let me know what colors you'd like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. I do put out 3 videos a week. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.